Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will prepare chicken parmesan, or better known as pollo alla parmigiana. This is a very easy recipe to make and is also one of my favorite childhood dishes. This dish originated during the Italian migration of the 20th century and the main ingredients are breaded chicken, tomato sauce and mozzarella. This recipe is very similar to a Parmigiana di melanzane, changing the eggplant for chicken. But anyway, the first step will be cutting our chicken breast in half to get 4 pieces with the same thickness. This will help us cook them evenly. After, we're going to season them on both sides with salt and pepper. Once you're done, we're going to bread them. For this we will use flour, egg and panko. This is a variation of breadcrumbs that is used in the Japanese cuisine, but if you can find them, breadcrumbs will do the job. We are going to season the flour with salt and pepper and we're going to grate some Parmesan cheese into the panko. Trust me, this will add an extra touch of flavor to the chicken when we fry it. Don't forget to mix your ingredients well before grabbing the chicken. Once you're done, grab a piece of chicken breast and cover it well with flour. Shake it so you don't have any excess and let it swim on both sides in your egg pool. Let it drain before laying it on top of the panko or your breadcrumbs. Press it with your hands so that the breading sticks better to the breast and doesn't fall off when we're frying them. That's it guys, we're done with the first piece. Now we just need to repeat the same steps with the other pieces. Once you're done, it's time to fry our chicken. For this, we're going to heat a frying pan over high heat and we're also going to prepare a tray with kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. Add a few tablespoons of oil to the pan. Sorry for the fanciness, just drop the oil. How to know if your oil is hot enough? Just add a small pieces of panko to the pan. If you see that it's bubbling like crazy, it's ready to go. Now arrange your pieces of chicken and let them fry until they turn golden brown on both sides. Don't worry if your chicken is raw in the center, we're going to finish cooking them in the oven. Just focus on the browning in this step. Something I forgot to mention is please don't fry your chicken if your oil is cold, because otherwise the breadcrumbs will absorb the oil and this will not get golden brown. Basically it will get all soggy and oily. Obviously we don't want that. If the oil is hot, it will create an external crust that will prevent the oil from getting into the interior. This will help trap the juices from the breast, leaving it obviously more juicy. So basically, let it get hot. Anyway, let's get ready guys. We're going to build this beauty. For this recipe, I am going to use my Napolitan sauce that I made in my video of vegetarian lasagna with ricotta and spinach. Now add a few tablespoons of Napolitan sauce in the baking dish and then lay the chicken on top of the sauce. Cover only one part of the chicken with the sauce because we want to enjoy also that crispy texture of the fried chicken. Now cover the sauce with some slices of fresh mozzarella and we're going to bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until the cheese is golden brown. Let me do a quick quality check with my mozzarella to see if it's still good. I'm not eating it because I'm a fat ass, I just want to be sure guys, you never know. Wait, let's make this more interesting. Let's grate some Parmesan cheese. I don't think a little bit more cheese will harm anyone, right? And now let it bake till the cheese looks golden brown. While this is baking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There you are guys. Sprinkle some chopped parsley on top and it's ready to eat. The only thing I'm going to do is to serve a piece of chicken parm on a plate. And I will enjoy it with an arugula salad mixed with balsamic vinaigrette, cherry tomatoes and Parmesan cheese. If you're interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description below or also in our website. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and especially this video. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Mmm.